Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. Tony Ford. I give an honor to God, who's the head of my life, and to the American people who are at the forefront of my heart. As the new year dawns upon us, I would like to take this time to have a frank discussion with the American people. I will begin by asking, are you tired of the constant bickering and infighting in Washington, D.C.? Have you ever felt like you could do a better job than many of our elected officials? Are you tired of getting the same results no matter which major party, Democrat or Republican, takes office? Are you tired of the demagogues holding the American people to higher standards than they themselves adhere to? Would you like a fair share of government grants, contracts, and other subsidies? Are you tired of seeing good-paying American jobs being shipped overseas? Are you tired of the prison industrial complex benefiting from cheap supplied labor at the taxpayer's expense? Are you tired of seeing the military-industrial complex overbilling the American taxpayer for cost overruns in addition to needless wars and other imperialistic excursions? Are you tired of the healthcare and insurance industries overbilling the American people for routine and oftentimes needless procedures? Are you tired of seeing high-wage, high-tech jobs being set aside for foreigners via the B-1 and the B-2 visa programs? If you answered yes to any of the above questions, please know that the Common Sense Party 2012 are currently recruiting candidates, staffs, and volunteers. Please review our website, including our 2012 platform at commonsenseparty2012.webs.com to discover the great opportunities that await your joining with us during this exciting election campaign. In addition to my nomination as standard bearer and candidate for the office of the President of the United States, the Common Sense Party are also seeking high-quality candidates to run for other national, statewide, and local offices. If you've ever wanted to run for office or to participate in a national election, or perhaps you would like to gain invaluable political campaign experience, we would be honored to have you to join with us as we take back our country from corporate interests. Before closing, please know that our mission is to return the American government to the values and ideals of the people, by the people, and for the people. We look forward to hearing from you. And again, please visit our website at commonsenseparty2012.webs.com for a list of exciting and rewarding opportunities. Please know that we need, welcome, and value your support. Also, please remember to donate. After all, it takes finance to uplift the nation. Thank you all, God bless you all, and God bless the United States of America.